At Martin's Auto Spa, we specialize in ceramic coatings that protect and transform vehicles of all kinds. Every ride gets the full treatment. From deep cleaning and paint correction to a precision-applied ceramic coating. This isn't just for looks. Our coatings create a strong, long-lasting barrier against UV rays, dirt, chemicals, and everyday wear. They boost shine, depth, and clarity while making maintenance easier than ever. Water, grime, and road debris slide right off thanks to the ultra-slick, hydrophobic surface. Whether it's your daily driver or your weekend toy, we help protect what you love. With years of experience and unmatched attention to detail, we don't just coat cars, we elevate them. If you're ready for lasting shine and serious protection, book your ceramic coating with Martin's Auto Spa today.